everyone. Welcome to the Museum of London's Rhymes in Time. I'm Charlie.
I'm Amber.
Emma.
We're not on fire. Chelsea and Rolo the rat.
And we're here to sing with you today. So we hope you've got your singing voices ready.
Me!
Today's nursery rhyme is London's Burning.
Oh, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that this song is all about the largest blaze in the city's history? The Great Fire of London. Oh, in 1666.
Do you know all the words?
Shall we sing it together?
Ready?
Oh, nice.
London's burning, London's burning. Fetch the engines, fetch the engines. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. London's burning, London's burning. Fetch the engines, fetch the engines. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. London's burning, London's burning. Fetch the engines, fetch the engines. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water. Pour on water, pour on water.
Well done. That was fantastic. Got access to a ukulele? Click the link in the description and you can learn how to play London's Burning too.
We hope you enjoyed singing along with us today.
Head to the museum's website for more fun facts about the history of London's burning, plus some more activities for you to try at home.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.